Welcome, my dear students. Coming to the last step of the basics. Once you have understood this and once you have mastered this level, then you are eligible to go to the topic of ninth standard. And what is this level? This level is going to teach you to multiply two brackets. Supposing if I have got a plus 7 into b minus 5. So there are two brackets, binomial multiplied by binomial. Fine. Binomial multiplied by binomial. So what are you going to do? Same thing. See, my dear students, actually speaking, I will try to teach you direct method. See, you can do it step by step, but why to go by step by step? See, first step, what happens? Like why how we did for the monomial. This multiplied with both the terms first. This multiplied with both the terms first. Similarly, what I will do, I will multiply this a with both the terms first. Fine. So I will get what now? First, of course, you will first multiply the signs. Plus, plus, plus a into b. Plus is over here, a into b. Now first this multiplied. See, you have to set your eyes. This diagram I am drawing so that you come to know where my eyes are. My eyes are over here. A is multiplying with b. I wrote over here. Now a is multiplying with 5. But then plus, minus, minus. And then I will write a into 5. A into 5. Got it? Now my 7 will multiply with both the terms. 7 multiply this and then 7 multiply with this. So plus 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 7 into b. Now next will be what? Plus minus minus 7 into 5. This you can directly write. Once your eyes really trace this path, then you won't have any problem. Now you just have to multiply. Now you do, because already you have written them with multiplication of signs. So now you don't have to bother about the sign. Just you have to write a into b is ab, minus will come, 5 into a is 5a, plus will come, 7 into b is 7b, minus 7 5 is 35. Now are there any like terms over here? A, b, no. This is your end answer. Understood this? So any more? There are many more. Okay. So here if I have got a plus 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5. Fine. So what will happen now? Nothing. It's going to be same, and it's good that everything plus is there. All the signs over here are plus. When everything is plus, life is very easy. So first a will go and multiply with every term. Fine. A will go and multiply with plus plus plus. So everywhere there is plus, so there is no problem. A into a square. Then a will go and multiply with the another second term, plus 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 a into 3a. Again a will go and multiply with the last term, plus 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 a into 5. Like this, how many ever number of terms would have been there, a would have gone and multiplied with each and every term. Now is the turn of 7 plus 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 7 into a square, plus 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 7 into 3a, plus 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 7 into 5. That's all. So the procedure with the brackets is over. Multiplication of brackets is over. Now you have to only multiply here. A into a square. Now as I told you, when the same equal bases multiply, powers will add. Here the power, no power means power is 1. So this will become a 2 plus 1 3, a cube, plus multiplication up to here. Here multiplication means coefficient to coefficient and variables to variables. So here there is no coefficient, 1, 3 ones are 3, a into a square, plus this will become 5a. Now this will become plus 7a square, plus 7 3s are 21a, plus 7 5s are 35. Okay, my dear students, and now is do you have any like terms over here? Yes, definitely 3a square, 7a square are the like terms, then 5a and 21a are the like terms. So first I will operate a cube. Now do it over here, it's no problem. Plus 3a square plus 7a square means plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7. While addition, only coefficients add subtract. So plus 3 plus 7 will give me plus 10. A square will come as it is. Similarly, plus 5a plus 21a, 21 plus 5 will be 26. Sign of the greater number plus 26a plus 35. Now there are no more like terms over here. So this is my end answer. Okay. So what do we have? Anything else? Yes, we do have something over here. More number of questions. Yes. Afterwards, you have to solve a lot many number of questions. This is what going to be a minus b into 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b c. Nice one. I like this. C means multiplication is done over here and multiplication is done over here. Here a bracket is multiplying with a bracket. Here a monomial is multiplying with the bracket. So you don't have to, actually you can write it instead of writing, even if the question is giving you C over here, I'll consider C over here. You can anytime rearrange multiplication. And this is a better way of arranging. So coming back to our topic, first this A, these two brackets are multiplying. So this A will go and multiplying with each and every term of the other bracket. So A into, so first I will multiply the signs plus A into 2A, one at a time. Focus. A into 2A. I have written that. Now plus minus A into 3B. Just focus. Don't see here and there. A into 3B. Now plus A into C. A into C. Forget. He has finished. Now this will go on multiplying each and every term. This. Set your thought. This is going to multiply with this. This is going to multiply with this. This is going to multiply with this. Now start. I'm writing over here. Minus plus minus B into 2A. B into 2A. Now next. Minus plus B into 3B. B into 3B. Next. Minus plus minus B into C. This bracket is completed. This is over. Now we go to the next bracket. Monomial multiplied with the bracket. Minus plus minus. Fine. Minus plus minus C into 2A. Minus plus C into 3B. C into 3B. Finished. This is over. This is over. Now only concentrate on multiplications. Wherever multiplications are there, you have to just going on doing multiplications. Signs, they are already taken care of. A into 2A. Coefficient will multiply with coefficient. Coefficient will multiply with coefficient, but the coefficient over here is 1. 1 into 2 will give you 2. A into A will give you A square. Minus will be copied. Here again there is no coefficient. 1 into 3 will give me 3. A into B will be AB. Plus here there are no coefficients. AC. Now coming back over here, this minus sign will come as it is. This will be 1, 2s are 2, AB. AB plus 3, 1s are 3, B into B, B square minus BC, right? Minus BC. Now coming over here again, 2, 1s are, now this minus sign should be written first. 2, 1s are 2, AC plus 3, 1s are 3, BC. Fine. So this is what you have got. And now fetch for the like terms. 2a square, there is no a square, so 2a square will come down as 2a square. Fine. Now minus 3ab, any ab is there? Do you have any ab? Yes, minus 3ab minus 2ab. So minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus plus. So you will add the two numbers, 3 plus 2, 5, sign of the greater number minus. So you will get what? Minus 5ab. Fine. Now plus AC. Do they have plus AC? Yes. Plus AC minus 2AC. So what you will do here is 1. So what it will be? Plus 1 minus 2. Right? Only the coefficients will operate. Plus 1 minus 2. So here plus minus minus. So you subtract 2 minus 1, 1. Sign of the greater number minus. The answer is minus 1. So was I fast? Okay, I'll repeat. Plus 1 minus 2, right? So you will get what? Plus 1 minus 2. Now you have to decide whether you are going to add or subtract. For that you will multiply the signs. Plus minus minus. So you are going to subtract. Fine. So subtraction means 2 minus 1 you will do. While subtracting you will have to subtract greater minus smaller. 2 minus 1, 1. This is your value that you have got, but then you will have to give the sign. Greater number sign will come over here. Greater number is 2. Out of this 2, greater number is 2. Sign is minus, so this also will be minus. That's why the answer is minus 1, and AC will come as it is. These all are over. Now 3b square. B square doesn't have any other like terms, so 3b square. And now coming to minus BC plus 3BC. Definitely they are like terms. So minus BC means minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. This will be the operation. But then whether you will add or subtract, you will multiply the signs. Minus plus, minus plus, minus. So I will subtract the 2. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will give me 2. And this will get the sign of the greater number. Who is the greater number over here? 3 is the greater number over here. And what is the sign of 3? Plus. So this will be plus 2. So this will become plus 2. And the variables will be copied down as they are. This is your end answer. Okay, my dear students. So this is the basics of the exercise that we are going to solve, and now I want you all to do lots and lots of solutions of this. Hammer me with your solutions, and I'll provide you more questions. Try to do as much as possible. The more you do, the more we understand, and the more and stronger we be. Okay, now going with this, the first one I am giving you is 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Now what I want you all people to do is that solve this. 4x plus 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Second one I want you all people to do is y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Then I want you all people to do a plus 3b into x plus 5. Okay, my dear students, solve this and show me. Then later on I'll go for the next set. Okay, later on I'll go for the next set. Okay, my dear students, see you soon. Make it faster. We have to complete this as soon as possible. We are starting right from the basics, so we can't really wait for 1 day, 2 day and all. We have to complete it as soon as possible. Thank you, my dear students. See you all soon. Thank you lots.